Hi, I'm Benjamin from Airtame, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up native protocols for your Airtame screens. So all Airtame hardware supports native protocols through AirServer, and that is Googlecast, Miracast, and AirPlay. This allows you to easily screen share content from phones, tablets, and laptops alike from various apps using these well-known protocols. However, depending on your setup, it might not be set up on your Airtame screen by default. You can quickly see this by looking at the Airtame TV and looking at the pairing information, which is in this case shown on the left side in the white panel. In this case, I'm not seeing any kind of icons indicating Googlecast, Miracast, or AirPlay, meaning these features are not enabled. However, in order to enable them, I simply go into my Airtame Cloud account and find my device from here. Then I'm going to click on the Edit Settings button and then go to Screen Sharing. In my case, I want to enable all three native protocols, so I'll just toggle on all three of them and hit Save. And it's that easy. Now I'm seeing on my TV the fact that I can also connect to this TV using Googlecast, Miracast, and AirPlay. So this has been a short video showing you how to set up these native protocols and make sure they're all enabled for your Airtame screens. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.